Established in 2015 in Jiangmen City, Jiangmen Weleo Fluid Machinery Equipment Company Limited operates a modern 2,000 square foot facility with 40 skilled employees, including engineering experts, who possess over 20 years of valuable industry experience. The company specializes in precision equipment and advanced equipment, manufacturing high-quality piston pumps, high-precision gear pumps, dosing dispensing systems, per-reactive hot melt and cold glue equipment, featuring exceptional accuracy, thermal stability, and clean integration. These systems optimize industrial fluid control across beverage, food, and paper packaging, new energy, non-woven fabrics, labeling, and automation sectors. Today, Weleo proudly exports its reliable global products to Thailand, Brazil, Russia, the Philippines, Indonesia, Vietnam, and South Korea.
High precision hot melt solution. Deliver worldwide. Choose Weleo.